Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another command which is find. Now, what is find command? Find command is a shell command which we mainly used in order to list down files and directories along with their path. Okay, some people might get confused between the grab command and find command because find command is not for searching for a pattern in a file data, right? it is it is for locating the file into any particular area. Okay, so this is the main point or main difference, so just make it very clear that find is not for searching for a pattern. It is for locating the file or directory, or you can say it is for listing down all the files and directory from a particular location. Clear? And this is again very important command because just assume a scenario where you are working for a project and there is a need to find out or figure out like what all files are present in a file or in a directory, or what all directories or subdirectories is present in a file. Then in that case you can utilize this file command. Okay, so how we are going to proceed with this session? First of all, like requirement is already clear, like how we can use find command, not file, right? Find command in order to list down files and directories, right? But later what we will do, we will let me show you that program first. Like we will walk through this program. Okay, so if I take option 2 here, let me copy this command because this is the same command that I'm going to use on Qshell. Or fine, we can directly write it, no problem. Yeah, so what we will do, firstly I will explain you the command on the Qshell prompt, and then later we will see this program, like how we are utilizing the command in this program. So to explore the command, we will run the command, we will hit this command qsh. What qsh will do, it will open the Qshell command entry screen. Now in this Qshell command entry screen, you can run any Qshell command in order to perform operations. Okay, so let me copy the command from one of my notepad, then we will start again. Okay, so I have copied the command. So this is the actual command that we are going to use. But before that, let me show you one more thing, uh, which is important before learning the command. So if I do work lnk here for work link, work with object link. Now here, just assume a scenario we are working for a directory, let's say tech Sharmit. Okay. So if I take option 5 here, so my current location is /home/Sharmit/tech Sharmit. Now from this location, suppose I want to find out like what all directories are present here. Only directories, not the file. So in this case, what it will do, it will figure out this thing like @dir new. This is symbol. Due to some CCSID issue, it is changed, but it is @. Okay. Then ABC directory. Then this is file, so we will skip it. Then we will consider this one, dir directory, pqr directory. Then test xml test ts.txt is file, we will skip it. And then we have xyz directory. Okay, so these are the all directory which we can use, which we are supposed to list down when we are looking for a directory in a particular location. Clear? So now how to use this command? So to use this command, what we will do, we will simply paste this like this: find, then path to directory, then hyphen type d. So instead of this, what we will do, we will write our own path. So my path is simply write find, then space /home /Sharmit /tech Sharmit. So what this command will do, it will look for all the type directory. Type hyphen type d means it will look for only for the directories. Okay, so what it will do, it will find for directories where /home/Sharmit/tech Sharmit. If I hit enter here, you can see it is printing all the directories along with their path, not only the directory name. It is also showcasing the file path, directory path. Okay, like if you look at this, this is /home/Sharmit/tech-Sharmit, which is the main directory. Then in main directory we have abc xyz pqr @dir new and /dir. Okay, So this is the way through which we can easily fetch the list of all directories present in a particular area along with their path. Now there might be one question like what will happen if I try to search it with capital D? Let's see. So on writing capital D, it will give you this error. The trailing character D for option type hyphen type is not valid. Okay. So make sure to put only the small d here, otherwise it will give you error. Now there might be one more question like what will happen if I make it capital letters? Find. Then if you try to hit, it will work as expected. Okay. So this is not case sensitive, but here we are supposed to pass only capital small d. Okay. And same goes with here, like if I try with capital type, it is giving me error. Why? Because we have changed the case. Okay. So in this case we have to keep the same case, like it should be small type, not the capital type, and small d. Okay. So with this command you can easily figure out the exact. Okay, fine. One more thing. Let's say if I want to check one more thing here, let me make it as /abc. So now what it will do, it will look for home, Sharmit, Sharmit, abc for all the file, all the directories. Okay. On pressing enter, you can see it is giving error found searching for command /ind 8 ind no such path or directory. Okay, let me check what is wrong here. Yeah, we are again using the capital type, that's why it is giving error. So we'll make it as small type. Okay, I think something is wrong here. Let me check this. Fine. So you can see it is changed to 8. Now if I hit enter, you can see there is only one directory which is present here, which is abc itself. Okay. So that's why it is showing this abc. Okay. Likewise, if you change it to Sharmit, then it will show various directories because there are system directories as well. So you can see there are many directories, right? Because some of directories are the system hidden directories. Okay. But overall thing is that whenever you want to figure out for the directory list along with their path, then in that case you can utilize this command. Now there might be one question like how we can list down all files, not the directories. So in that case what you can do, you can simply remove this from here. Let me show you. Instead of D we will write small f. So on pressing small f, it will look for all the files, only the files, not the directories. So you can see here it is /home /sharmit sharmit data.xml test.xml ts.txt. So these are the all file which is present in my location /home /sharmit and /text-sharmit. Okay, same rules here also, like if you try to figure out for capital F, it will give error because this is not correct. So this thing is very important. Make a note of it that whenever you are trying to hit this command, always keep hyphen type and small f, not other than this, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, so yeah, I think now it is clear like how we can fetch the or list down the files and directories from for a particular location along with their path. Okay, because path is very important. This thing would be helpful for you in project also. Like if we got only the file and directory name, that is not a good thing because we are mainly interested in the path of the file, right? So with this command, with find command, we can easily figure out the path. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are good with this. So it's time to see how it is working for the CL program. It is quite simple. This program is to find out all directories using find command. So simply write dcl, declare your variable name, type, storage, length. Variable is declared, then we will use chgvar command. So in chgvar you can write this command find /home /sharmit /text-sharmit and then type hyphen type d. If you would like, you can remove the extra spaces as well. Then close your quote and then we are good with this command. So you can see it is automatically changing the line by adding the plus. So this, there is no need to put this plus in command. You can simply write the command and it will accordingly change your line. Once variable is set, then you can use strqsh to start the program, start the command. So start Qshell ampersand command. So this is ready. So yeah, this is all about this program. And if you have any doubt in the basics, you can refer the previous session because there we have already discussed all these things. in detail. For variable declaration and other basic things, you can refer the playlist. Okay, so if I call this program now, you can see it's printing the all directories list along with their path. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.